Well, today I'm going to do a small review for this Parrot mini drone jumping night bus. It's white color, so you can see the box here. You get a couple of colors for you to choose. The function, got the route plan. Okay, and then well, this is the Parrot mini drone bus Asia mentioned. Asia here is the Asia version. I don't know what's the difference for the Asia version. So let's open the box. Okay. So the drone is inside. It's actually I have put the sticker on. So this is the Parrot jumping night drone. So this is the battery. The battery. Okay. Then the on-off power button is here. So on. So press the on button. When I press, the drone LED will turn to green. So I press again. So now basically the drone is on. So I need to turn on my Wi-Fi. This is show connecting. So connected. So we're going to open the Parrot free flight apps. Free flight 3. So you can see. Okay. So what's the difference? You can control the light. The LED light there. Okay. So you can have blinking signal. Basically the button. Button is this one. Okay, press this. There's all the animation. Let's get jumping. So you can see the control panel here. So the setting, you have master volume, auto record, then the maximum turn, maximum speed, and charging. They even show submit time of full charge for 32 minutes. Okay, this is the Wi-Fi setting. So this is, again, go over to the master volume, and this one will record the video, take picture. This one will be the sound.